Hey guys, welcome back. It's just me, Sarah, today, and I'm going to show you guys a way to keep your nails looking fresh during social distancing. Alright guys, now today I'm going to show you guys how to keep your nails looking fresh during this whole social distancing when the nail salons are closed. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. So how I'm going to keep my nails fresh during quarantine is through a product called Color Street. I have been using it for over 6 months now. It's really great alternative to nail salons. It's 100% nail polish. It's very cost effective, a lot cheaper than going to the nail salon. The solid colors are $11. The glitter colors, which are my personal favorite, are $12. Then you also have the clear designs, so those are $11 as well. Then you have the glitter nail designs, and those are $13, which those are also my favorite. Anything glitter, of course, is my jam. And then you just have kind of like nail art, and that is $13 as well. And it also stays on your nails for 2 weeks. So there are 2 sizes in Color Street. There is regular size, and then there's also a size for petite. Petite can be used for like kids or like people with really petite hands. It looks like they would fit me. I haven't tried them yet, but I'm super excited to one day. So today's color I'm gonna be using today is called Be Hoppy. It's a new color to Color Street for their Easter line this year. So I'm really excited to be using it. So the first step with Color Street is you take the package and you flip it over, and they have a little open tab here. So you're gonna do the open thing. And then as you can see, it has 2 tear-offs on the inside right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop those. And you just follow it all the way down. Every pair of Color Street nails comes with a cute little nail file and also an alcohol prep pad, which I'll show you how to use that. And then it also comes with 16 strips of nails. As you can see, they are different sizes, so that way they can accommodate all kinds of sets of nails. So first things first, when you're using Color Street is you want to make sure that you wash your hands thoroughly with warm water and soap, and then also make sure that they're dry. So I've already washed my hands, so I'm ready to go. So the second thing is you take your Color Street nail prep pad and you'll go ahead and open that up, and you just scrub it over your nails. This makes sure your nails are good and clean, and then it also helps the nail polish to stick to your nails. I forgot to mention another step I do before this is push back my cuticles. That is key to getting your Color Street nails to last for 2 weeks. So once I've done the alcohol prep pad, then I go and open up my nails. That has a little tear thing right here, and I tear them as close to the edge as I can, because I'll show you guys at the end how you can save your nails and use them again. So then you take them out like so. So it comes with 2 different sets, 8 on each. So a lot of people like to mix them up and they can do different things. And that's the cool thing about Color Street is you can really make it your own style. You don't have to go with the pattern that they give you. I usually do, so I'm only gonna use 1 strip today. So the first step is to take them and kind of like measure them up to your nail size. But I'm very familiar and all the nail sizes stay the same. So I'm not gonna use this one because it's too small. This can be used as like a touch-up thing if need be. So I'm gonna start off with this cute little one. It has bunny prints on it. So you're going to take and peel off. There's a clear cover on this. So you're gonna take that and peel it off. So then you take this white backing off and the whole thing comes off like so. So it's kind of like a sticker in a sense. And then you take this whale tail and you just gently tear it off like that. That way you get rounded on both sides. Now the way to make your Color Street nails last longer is to use them double-sided. Some people just use one side. It really just depends on how long your nails are. So the first step is you take the one end, whichever end you want to use, make sure it's facing the right way though, and then you put it as close to your cuticle as you can. That is the key to getting your Color Street nails to last the longest. And then once you have it in place, then you just simply press it down. And that's easy as that. And you make sure it's all in where you want it to be. So then you take it and you kind of like tear it, and it comes off just like that. Then you go through with the nail file, and that's when you kind of like shape it up a little bit. So with this other side, I'm gonna take and do my other pinky. And with the leftovers, I just put them in a stack there. And then you just, simply like make sure that it's all good and like file them away the way you want it to be. So then once I do that, I just kind of like run my thumb over them to make sure that they're good and stuck on there. All right, nail one done. So these can kind of like, they're all pretty much the same size, so I can kind of interchange these. So again, you take the clear piece off and you take the silver part up from the white and then peel it off like a sticker. And then you take the wheel tail and just gently take it off like that. And then once again, you put it as close to the cuticle as you can, drop it. And one good thing about this is if you, for example, like I didn't put this one on there right, until you finally press it down, you can lift it up. It stays pretty sticky. So then you just make sure it's good and on there. And then once again, you just take it up against your nail and pinch it off. And what I do sometimes is I take the end of my fingernail clipper and I just really push it in there. So basically, you guys just repeat the process until it's all done. All right, guys, so here's the finished product. So I finished my nails, and the next step is to take all my leftover nails and put them back in the package so we can reuse them. This is a very important step because Color Street is 100% real nail polish. So just like with any nail polish, it dries out. So you want to make sure to put it in here, and then you get a straightener and just kind of hold it here, and then it melts and it seals it back up. I've also seen a lighter be done too. So either way, and then make sure it's airtight, and then they're good until the next time you want to use them. So it's really simple to put on Color Street, and I love it. I think it works great. I'm being a healthcare professional. I wash my hands a lot, and so they do stay on very well. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Have a great week.